All right, guys. Sorry about the video for being. The battery died on me. Did not even know that the battery was dead. But where I left off was I drilled into the hood of the Ford F150 so it gets air going in and going out. So this is what I did. Same process as you see in the AutoZone. How to install AutoZone fake hood scoops to make it look real. It's been almost 3 years, guys. Or more or less, I have no idea, but same thing. I cut it, I left a little bit of space over here, and then what I did was drill over here. Same thing, anyone, Phillips, Stars, flathead, as long as it could bite the metal and stay with this 3M sticky tape. I recommend you put some glue on it because these tend to, since they've been sitting in the shelves for a while, just fly away. That's what I noticed. Okay, got that. Now what I did was like drill a stud with a washer all the way down. There we go. Lock it. All right, there we go. See, we drilled a stud right there. That's what I did. Also, I put some little bit of gasket maker or toothpaste, whatever you want to put to mark it, to see where it's gonna hit right here. Bam. And that's all it is. All right. The hard part's to drill it, but you got this. All right. Depending on the hood style you have, like on this Nissan, that will be easier. So let's go show it for you. Let's open the door. Sticker bomb also. Oh, you know we gotta do it. Got the over fenders installed. So the hood scoop is the same right here. Well, you would need to remove this, but this is the exact point. Cut it right here, this open piece of metal. That's where we drill into it. Right here, let's say right there. You drill into there, boom, and you got it. Put the stud right there, measure and boom. And if it's hitting the engine bay, I recommend you get an angle grinder and cut it. But always have somebody to help you out. Parental safety. Angle grinders are way too fast, all right? So that's about it. That's how I'm holding it now. Put a stud right directly. Get a drill it. If this is hitting the engine bay, cut it a little bit, bam, and you're good. If you want to know how to install fake hood scoops and do the stud now, through the middle, with a washer, a nut, and a stud, courtesy of your Home Depot or Lowe's, where you ever get your hardware from. That's about it. Now it won't even fly off. Yay! But in the last video, I forgot to show you the exhaust on this thing. So if this doesn't make it, I'll call it Ford hood scoop and exhaust. Here we go again. Then I'll warm it up if you. KNON 89.3. Everybody go listen, please. CD change is broken, but the exhaust is. Hear me? The exhaust is like, well, like, okay, header, cat, and it joins in together. And it joins to, well, actually, I got a spray can and we get it. Here, we can play with these leaves while it warms up, because never ever rev your car or truck when it's cold. So, exhaust. Joins in together. Bam. And bam, and dump. So like this. Driver side, passenger side. And then dump. Alright? That's about it. That's how it sounds like this. No mufflers, no nothing. I mean, I like it like this. I mean, except if you hate drone, okay? If you don't like drone, then I don't recommend this one. But that's how you want to do it if you like it like this. Driver side, joins together. Kitties, and then dump, and that's it. So don't rev it up until you you should rev it up a little bit as long as the temperature moves up. Like say it's like this, it should move up like this, and that's it. So never rev it when it's cold. And hope you guys enjoy it. This is a great exhaust. I always love this tire. This is not getting that. It's too low on the ground, so not recommended for this tire. But maybe like not even for that Corvette, because it's too low on the ground also. Needs to come out the exhaust. So anything that's low to the ground, it's a no-no. Like this one, no, couldn't even come out like over here, like this way, like this. I would love to, but it's too low to the ground. You have your fuel lines, emergency brake lines, everything in the way. Why buy it? So no. It also gets quiet. These exhausts are perfect until you don't step on the floor, step on the acceleration. That's when they wake up. If you're right there driving, cruising, maybe you'll hear it. But since it's low, hope you guys enjoy. There we go. If you see steam or anything, it's cold in Texas. Not cold, but not hot. It's in the middle. Wow, lots of steam still. It's humid in Texas. Hope you guys like that. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more. Alright? Bye for now. If you have any comments, let me know. Try to answer them. Stay tuned for more shenanigans. Say bye. 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 See ya.